My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Chinwe, Zion and Ruthie, they don't come out to come slut shame Nelly behind her back. And also Wani and her sister Handy, they don't report Nelly to be brother. And lastly, the first evicted housemates, where we say they call Tammy, which is Damilola and Toyosi, they don't have their first interview since their eviction. So from wetin we say we don see so far, it's like there's a triangle going on inside the house, and the triangle wey be say I try to talk about na Ruthie, Sooj and Nelly. As we all know, Ruthie get eyes for Sooj well, but it's like the guy him get eyes for Nelly. That thing don plant a seed of scorn for where Ruthie dey. This afternoon, Chinwe come go meet Ruthie to talk certain things about Nelly give. As we all know, Chinwe na person wey be say if she not like you, or maybe if you do her something wey be say dey wrong, she go carry your matter, dey tell the whole housemate, she go dey complain give everybody. So like this, she dey try to recruit people to her side to fight against Nelly. And I say Ruthie on the other hand does not like Nelly anyways, so she and wetin be her name, Chinwe, they come dey discuss the matter. According to Chinwe dey tell Ruthie to say Nelly don dey annoy her of late, and the day wey be say she go get her time, say the thing go hot. According to Chinwe, she dey claim to say make she and Ruthie plan together to take eat Nelly up. After she discussed that thing with Nelly finish, she still carry her two left leg go meet her boyfriend, say they call Zion. That one come just sit down table Nelly matter, use mouth to wash the girl white. So according to Chinwe, she go tell her boyfriend to say Nelly no sabi cook, say Nelly pack oil and crayfish full inside the food wey be say the whole house want. Say not everybody even they like crayfish. Fine, not all people know they like crayfish. Me personally, I don't eat food where we say crayfish dey inside because I don't like them. Even if you not like the thing, not be the way where we say Chinwe till they put her. Chinwe, from the way she dey talk, you know say she really despise Nelly so much. I don't know what to be the cause of it. She make that statement to her boyfriend Zion. Zion come dey tell her to say, well, Nelly na fake chef. Say Nelly na chef wey be say all those chef for IG wey be say they go put chef as their bio for IG. Say but when man order them to come cook for them, say the man go first chop them before he go chop the food wey be say they cook, which means in they try to talk say the girl go first sell herself before she go come sell her food. Looking at Zion self, you go not to say that one a joke. Let's just be honest here. Who wants to see Zion carry that one as husband normally? Anyway, on the other hand, she if I even enter that girl, I not just know the thing, it go be as if some of them go to comment or say too harsh, this one. On national television, this slut shame your fellow woman, like say not be anything. Maybe the thing where we say the girl do you, where we say they paying you to this extent, can they talk like this? See how fans react after Chinwe talk this thing with her boyfriend. So now so some people also talk, come say mommy and baby boy are going overboard. Now first it was Checkers, now it's Nelly. I beg someone should tell them that Nelly doesn't even know they exist for the house. You that always follow mommy up and down. The next place is very appalling. The last one say Miss Zion never happened to us to Fiakwa. On Twitter space where we say day one day they talk about women matter. If you see the way that time where we say Queen, Big Brother Nigeria shine your eye housemate Queen marry. So I did for that Twitter space, the men where they just they talk down on women where we say don't born children, they talk down on it. I just start to block all the men where they any of them maybe say just they talk those things. I just block them so that I not go ever have encounter with them for over whether business, whether anything. I don't want. No matter what the outcome be. So shaming a woman, I can never support it. Because you not really know the story where they behind that. You know the good man with the judge pain what we never experience or what we never understand. Onto Wani and Handy matter today. They report Nelly to Big Brother. According to say Nelly na person wey be say anytime be say she won't talk to Sean, instead of her to talk to Sean in a cordial way, knowing fully well to say Sean dey in a ship with her, she go dey jump for Sean body. If she won't laugh, she go jump on Sean body to laugh. If she won't do anything, she go jump on Sean body, which not make any sense to her. Say as she don't notice to say Nelly they do that type of thing to her. Say her plan now she go dey move to Sooj. We say she dey do, she go sit down near Sooj. Since Nelly won't play a dairy game, according to her, say she go give Nelly back in her own medicine. With the way one carry Sean matter for her to come and to come complain to Big Brother, say she not like the way Nelly dey chingom her boyfriend. The thing really vex fans so because according to them, not you get the man never marry, he never proposed to you, nothing. You don't they overclaim the guy, don't they even they jealous and all of that. So they come to Korea. The first person you can say, my love, if you see how your boo is touching her, you focus on yourself. All of us don't say Sean is for everybody. More we just be honest with ourselves. Forget that one ship where they do for them. Sean is for every woman in the house. They are all a player. The way Sean they won't talk, you not see that boy in a game player. He not even just come there. In the watch Big Brother. If you listen to it they talk, you gonna say this brother the watch Big Brother way back. So he sabi everything, don't calculate. First come say make una leave Nelly alone. The next one say una carry any of the boys come the show, una too dey complain, my dear. Another one come say these twins fans don dey cry nana, ha ha ha. I laugh in French or Chinese. Me, you see this season, anybody where we say any fave where we say I see their fans they move mad. That fave I will carry for head, they drag them. Because I know after they drag the fave, the thing go they pain them, they go they call me out and I go they cash out. Maybe say all the housemates don't they gag up and on Nelly. It's not a good thing for her anyways, because by the time maybe say Nelly find herself for bottom 4, I did very sure say most of them they go vote her out because they don't like her. As everybody they drag Nelly, so now Arise still they start. Before you know it, Arise go start to the feel pity. They go say, this girl be say everybody just won't bully. They go on and use pity to vote for her. So I just hope to say not go turn out like this season. Let's just watch this season in peace. We don't want anything pity. We don't want anything raz like Fina. We just want to enjoy the show and move on. So onto the evicted housemates, where we say their pair name Natami, which is Damilola and Toyosi. They did their first interview today since after the eviction from Big Brother Naija no lose guard season. So according to them, when I remember they say when Toyosi dey inside the house, public people really slut shame her because of the way she did dress. According to them, they say her nyash no dey arrange and all of that. The bomb shot wey see she wear, I don't want to put the picture here so because the picture dey demeaning, so I don't want to put her here. To them, they say the thing not dey padded and all of that. So the girl coming out of the house seeing those type of derogatory comments about her, the thing really pain her. So she come from the interview, come dey explain to say when she left the house, say she saw a lot of comments. Some were lovely, but some were body shaming remarks. Say so not just the encouraging messages from some of her fans, not just make the experience for her day amazing.
And I also want to say no to body shaming. I saw what they did to me.
Yes, in 1 week.
Yes, I was body shamed a lot.
Yes, they did.
They did that.
Yeah, say no to body shaming. Yeah. That's crazy. Just in a week.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Okay.
The truth be not everybody they feel cope with all these names, so they can call them on social media. No matter how a woman look physically, you know go good make you just judge her. Not just woman, a human being. A human being, a person we never create person before. Now God create all of us. So you go just see person, just see person face just fat. This person just body just scatter. You don't know. So many people have certain conditions for their body where we see they use makeup cover. You not go even know self say they pass through things. They go always a smile. Go good me all of us put hands together, avoid body shaming women, body shaming anybody. Use other things stay banned person, but that body shaming, let's leave it out of the equation. Una take care, una bye.